giving your woodworking projects the attention and energy they deserve? Quit settling and upgrade today to Sawblade.com's professional Rikon 14 upgrade kit. Enhance your woodworking capabilities, master those difficult, intricate cuts, and maximize your performance with this easy-to-install kit that will elevate what your Rikon bandsaw can do. This professional kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid high-grade aluminum and utilize performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with 2 front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All 3 bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This heavy-duty guide kit is adjustable for blades 3/16 of an inch to 1 inch and comes complete with upper and lower guide blocks, mounting brackets, mounting studs, and trio block precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Rikon aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, please check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and we stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. So you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching. And for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.